Hello guys, this is Niyaz. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how you can connect your GoDaddy domain with your hosting or hosting panel. Without any delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, we need to understand what is the exact process. To connect your GoDaddy domain with your hosting or hosting panel, you need a GoDaddy account and a domain, and then you need a hosting or hosting panel. If you are not purchased it, you can go to GoDaddy and Hostinger. You can purchase domain and hosting respectively. So let's start the video. First of all, before start going to the GoDaddy, first get your Hostinger name servers. To find that, go to Google and search for Hostinger name servers. Once you search, you will find the first article where to find Hostinger name servers. Here you can access hpanel name servers. These are the name servers for your Hostinger account if you are using web and cloud plans in Hostinger. So copy these two, it will be useful in the next steps. Then go to the GoDaddy and log in. I already logged in. After logging, go to My Products. Once you navigate to the My Products page, just scroll down and select the domain which you want to connect with the Hostinger. In this case, I want to connect the second domain qfy.com with my Hostinger panel. Let's check the domain first. If the site can't be reached, means the website, the domain is not connected properly. Go back. From here, you can click on DNS. Under the DNS, scroll little bit down until you find the option for the name servers. By default, after purchasing a domain from the GoDaddy, you will get this default name servers. If you are using the same GoDaddy hosting account, then there is no need to change these details. If you are using any other hosting provider like Hostinger or Bluehost, you have to change here. Click on change, then you will get this option. Then click on enter my own name servers. After clicking, you have two options: name server 1, name server 2. Go back to the Hostinger. These are the name servers you need to incorporate. Copy the first name server, paste it. The same way for the second name server. Copy the NS2 record, paste it. After pasting, click on save. Once you click on the save, you will get this warning. This is common. You can click on yes, continue, then click on continue. Here we have successfully updated our Hostinger name servers in GoDaddy domain account. To confirm that, just refresh the page again. Yeah, the new name servers have successfully updated. Again, check the domain. There is nothing changed because we have not connected this domain with the Hostinger. Now logging into your Hostinger account. After logging in, go to websites. Here you can able to see all the websites which are associated with your Hostinger account. Under that, you will get one more option: create or migrate a website. Click on this. Just you can skip these options. Then skip create an empty website. You can use an existing domain. Click on select. Here you have to enter the domain name qfy.com. So make sure the spelling is correct and not use any HTTPS or those things, just domain name, whatever your domain, and then click on continue. Once you click on the continue, it will check the name servers. So now you have the Hostinger name servers only, there is no issue. Then you can click on continue. Yeah, now you have successfully connected your website with a Hostinger account. It will take a little bit of propagation time. You can click on manage site. Now you have successfully installed your GoDaddy domain in Hostinger. You can check the domain here, click on this. Yeah, now the website is successfully connected. Your domain is now on GoDaddy. Your hosting is on Hostinger. Now you are seeing there is a not secure option. Don't worry about that. Here click on search for SSL. By default, Hostinger provide free SSL for all your domains. So you can check the SSL status here. It's saying installing. It will take 2 to 5 minutes to complete the SSL process. It's completed now. You can refresh the page. Now you can see the website is secure. So this is the process to connect the GoDaddy domain with a Hostinger. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please comment down below. I am happy to respond. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. This is Niyaz signing off.